Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing well and you are enjoying our series of lessons. And so our today's lesson is about grammar, and in this lesson we are going to learn um, present indefinite tense or present simple tense and its positive sentences. We are going to learn about how to form positive sentences in uh, present simple tense. So our today's lesson will help us to learn about how present simple tense is formed and what words, kind of words are used in this specific um, tense. So we are going to do an activity for this lesson, and first I will explain to you that how uh, present simple tense sentence is made and how it is formed and words are used in this sentence in this kind of tense. And so then we will once you understood the word formation or sentence structure of this of the present simple tense, so I will uh, have you do an activity for this lesson. And what the activity would be like this, that you will be divided into two teams. On one side there will be team A, and on the other side there will be team B, and you are going to form sentences for team A will be making sentences for singular pronouns, like we have pronoun he, she, it. So these are singular pronouns and subjects that are used in simple present tense, and the other team will going to make or form sentences for plural pronouns, that are they, we, um, you also. But um, you is a pronoun which uses plural form of verb, but if there is singular subject, then it uses also plural kind of sentence structure. So this is how our activity will be done. And how our lesson is going to take place and what procedure is for the lesson. So the lesson is, first I will lecture you, I will describe before you about the sentence structure for the simple present tense, and I'll explain to you by writing on the board, and then we will do this activity. And also we are going to use for our exercises or our assessment the app or the social artificial intelligence website, or that is Gemini. We are going to take help from Gemini for our assessment. So in assessment part, I will get exercises produced from Gemini, and I will share it with you through the Google Docs, and you are going to solve the exercises that will be close exercises or gap exercises, where there will be dashes or blank spaces left for for placing the correct verb form, and you are going to place the correct verb form that agrees with the subject. So this is how our lesson is going to take place, and we will use technology for the lesson, and we are going to use Gemini and Google Docs for our lesson. So I hope you understood the lesson, and you understood the lesson procedure. So our lesson is very important, because the simple present tense is fundamental. Tense is in English, it is a fundamental and very basic tense which we use in our use daily life. Very often we use this lesson with this tense. So um, it is very important to learn for us about simple present tense, and this tense is very important to to build our grammatical basis and to improve our grammar for the for English language. And just let me explain the simple present tense before you, so how it is made and how it is formed. So the let me speak to you a few examples that are simple present tense and simple present sentences. So like he plays football. So this is an example. He plays football, which means that he often plays football. And the he pronoun, which is a subject, is a singular subject. So when there is singular subject like he, she, it, the verb that is placed with this with such kind of pronouns, there is an addition of s with the verb because there is singular pronoun. So I hope you understood, and I will write more examples, and I will explain these examples to you so that you could understand. And let me present to you another example which is for plural pronoun. So our plural pronoun, like I have already told you that we and they are plural pronoun. So we go to school daily. So in this example, we go to school daily. We did not add s to the verb form because plural because of the subject is plural. So we are uh, um, we are making it without adding s to the verb form. So how this tense is translated into Urdu, or into some other language. So let me tell you something about Urdu, because we are in Pakistan, and we often speak Urdu, and Urdu is our national language, and we understand it more than other languages. And many of us in our country understand Urdu more than other languages. So and it is usually our first language. So it is translated into Urdu like we go to school daily. It will be translated into Urdu as हम रोज़ाना स्कूल जाते हैं. So this is how the present simple tense is translated into Urdu. I hope you have understood the lesson procedure and the examples. So in our next segments of lesson, we will study it more and do practice, and also we will do activity also. And in the end, we are going to use Gemini for our assessment. We will produce exercise for the lesson, and you will solve it. I will share the exercise with you through Google Docs, and you are going to solve the exercise, and I am observing it while you are going to solve it, and I will mark it accordingly. So you don't need to get pressurized or any kind of worry about the assessment, because it is going to be formative, and you just need to focus on your learning. Thank you so much.